In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Notion dashboard and sync it with Google Tasks using Zapier. If you want your tasks and notes to stay connected automatically, this simple setup will save you a ton of time. Let's get started. Begin by opening Zapier and signing into your account. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the Create button. Click it to start building your Zap. A Zap is just an automated workflow that connects two apps without you having to do anything manually, which makes it incredibly helpful for staying organized. We'll begin with the trigger, which is the event that starts the automation. Click into the trigger search box and type Google Tasks. Select it from the list. Now choose the trigger event. The most common option is when a new task is created. This means anytime you add a task in Google Tasks, Zapier will pick it up automatically and prepare it for the next step. Zapier will now ask you to connect your Google account. Sign in and allow permission so Zapier can read your tasks. After that, click Test Trigger. Zapier will pull a sample task to confirm everything is working. If the test is successful, we're ready for the next part. Scroll down and set up the action, which will take place inside Notion. Search for Notion and select it. For the action event, choose Create Database Item. This lets Zapier add new entries to your Notion dashboard based on your Google Tasks. Zapier will ask you to sign into Notion. After connecting, choose the database where you want your task to appear. This can be a simple task list, a project board, or a custom dashboard you've already created and organized to match your workflow. Next, map the fields. This tells Zapier which information from Google Tasks should go into your Notion properties. For example, map the task title to the name field and map the due date if you're using one. You can leave any fields blank if they're not needed. Once everything is mapped correctly, click Test and Review. Zapier will send a sample item to Notion. Open your Notion page to make sure it looks right. If everything appears correctly, go back and click Publish. Your Zap is now live. From this point forward, every time you create a task in Google Tasks, it will automatically show up in your Notion dashboard. You won't have to type anything twice or switch between apps to stay organized. This simple automation keeps your workflow clean, efficient, and consistent. It's a great way to combine quick task entry with the structure of a Notion workspace. I hope this helped you get everything synced smoothly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.